Label axes on Seaborn Barplot. I'm trying to use my own labels for a Seaborn Barplot with the following code. However, I get an error that what gives?
Seaborn's barplot returns an axis object, not a figure. This means you can do the following.
One can avoid the attribute error brought about by set_axis_labels method by using the matplotlib.pyplot.label and matplotlib.pyplot.ulabel. Matplotlib.pyplot.label sets the x-axis label while the matplotlib.pyplot.ulabel sets the y-axis label of the current axis. Solution code. Output figure.
You can also set the title of your chart by adding the title parameter as follows.
Another way of doing it would be to access the method directly within the Seaborn plot object. Produces
I don't know.